Hey everybody, this is Dan from Mechanical Malarkey. Today I'm going to show you how to replace the front marker lights on an 88-02 Chevy truck. All you need is a Phillips number 2 screwdriver. There are 2 screws right here, so just take those out. Then pull it out and then unhook it from the grill here. The 2 sockets are on the back. There's a tab, just push that and turn the socket counterclockwise and pull it out. And then the bulb itself, turn it counterclockwise and pull it out. These are 1157 amber bulbs. And put the bulb socket back in the assembly, turn it to lock. Then this hook goes back in the grill, and then put the screws in. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like, comment, subscribe to the channel, follow me on social media, on Facebook and Instagram, and read the blog at mechanicalmalarkey.com. Thanks for watching.